I'm still in Singapore right now, and look at this amazing view, guys. So lovely. Oh my god, I saw some videos na grabe yung baha sa Cebu. I hope everyone is safe. And ang sad lang. I'm still in Singapore, guys, and mamaya pang hapon yung flight ko. So, nagla-lunch ako dito with the view of Marina Bay Sands. Look. Reporter kasi fotografer. I'm so excited to go home. It's been 7 nights and I miss my bed, I miss my room, I miss my dogs. And I'm so excited to see my mom kasi she visited sa condo nung Undas, and until now she's still there. And yeah, she's still waiting for me to go home. And I think sinipon talaga ako, guys. Kasi wala akong masyadong tulog. Basta palipat-lipat ng tutulugan kasi parang I feel so uncomfortable. Parang kailangan ko pang masanay. So, always palipat-lipat ako ng tulog. And, ayun, hindi ako makatulog. Hindi ako makatulog na maayos. view is just so amazing. Never pa ako nakapunta dyan sa top talaga. Last time, when I went to Phuket, nag-layover din ako dito for like 5 hours. And nag-visit ako dyan sa Marina Bay Sands, but sa baba lang. So, ano kayong meron dyan sa taas? Maybe next time, pag nag-travel ako na yung dito talaga, hindi lang just layover. Palibok ng laro. Monday, gano'n no? Pero fully booked. Lunchtime na po. Thank you for the stars. I'm not in Bali anymore. Sa Singapore na po ako. So I just spent 6 nights at Bali. So far, so good. I really enjoyed it a lot, and I visited like 4 beach clubs: Atlas, Fins, Luna, and Savaya. And wala akong tour na nagawa. But okay lang naman.